Welcome to the Richer on Economic podcast. It's available on Spotify, Apple Podcast, YouTube, and Qingting FM. There are many great and timeless investment rules from past to the present. It is the goal of this podcast to go over many of these rules and to see how we can put them into practice. Today, I would like to share what I think is the most important rule in the stock market, which is stock prices don't move in a straight line. Almost every stock moves in a zigzag manner, rising and falling multiple times within a trading day, within a trading week, a month, or even years. No matter what, they don't move in a straight line. This seems like a simple rule, but it has deep and profound implications. In fact, many other great investment rules can be derived and implied by this rule. So we have to understand this rule by heart. Know it, love it, and appreciate it. In a bull market, there are many corrections along the way. On the other hand, in a bear market, there are many false relief rallies on the way down. The most recent example was the most ferocious bear market rally started it in middle of March and ended it around the end of March. Most investors knew that we are in a bear market, but nothing could stop the market from rising almost every day for about 2 weeks before it crashed hard in April. Even as we are currently witnessing the burst of the second dot-com bubble, who's to say it cannot rise another 10% before it crashes again? Therefore, if you are a long-term investor, once you figure out the trend, stick with your plan and don't get discouraged by the counter-trend movements. Don't change your strategy. However, if you are a day trader, you need to be able to change your strategies quickly. You need to be nimble and be ready to adapt and react to the sentiment of the market at that time. Thank you for listening. Disclaimer: this information contained in this podcast is for educational and informational purposes only. I'm not your financial advisor. Investing is very risky. Please do your own research. Please consult with your own personal financial advisor.